Start by slicing your oranges and lemons in half using the K73 Smart Snap Blade Knife. Always use a cutting mat for safety and clean cuts. Take your fabric and dip the cut side of the fruit into fabric paint. Then press it firmly onto the fabric to stamp the shape. Repeat the stamping to create fun, summery patterns all over your fabric. Once the paint is dry, measure out a square using your ruler, rotary cutter, and cutting mat. Cut to identical fabric squares. Align the two fabric pieces and secure them together using sewing pins. Using a sewing machine, stitch around 3 edges of the fabric, leaving one side open. Turn the fabric inside out so the pattern's side shows. Then, sew the remaining edge closed. You're done. Enjoy your handmade, fruit-stamped summer bandana.